Yo, what's up guys? We're back with another backtesting session. We're backtesting week 2 of 2025, so let's get straight into the video. I'm just going to be explaining how I find my drawn liquidity, the trades I take, the trades I fade, and all that good stuff. So right now, on the daily, what I see, we're rejecting out of this new week opening gap, and we have this IRL to return to. Let's check the 1 hour. What do we have? We have this 1 hour gap here, and we probably have a 15-minute or 30-minute here. No, we actually don't have anything. But we do have this external 15-minute gap, which I could see for potential short. Let's just see what market opens gives us, and looks like we're just gonna pump through this. And we hit the daily gap without an entry. Possibly can get a mech here. If we get some entry here. We're kind of just chopping around. Nothing really clean here. Do we have an SMT? No SMT. I believe we're still inside of this daily gap range, but just low volatility. Let's see what 1030 can do. It looks like we just keep on failing to displace. We didn't even inverse that here. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna skip to the next day. That's just low volatility. For our, let's see, what do? We disrespect this range here, and now we're coming back into this ERL here, IRL I mean. Maybe heading for equilibrium or something. We have a bunch of low resistance here, and this hourly, oh, I'm on a 30-minute. Yeah, we just have a bunch of unfilled gaps here that probably need a rebalance. I'm gonna mark out this is gonna be a 4-hour gap at 10 a.m. Kind of just looking for a sweep of this low and then just a long. So we hit this unmitigated 30-minute. I could see a short as well. 30-second. Let's see. Okay, no. I don't really like it. We're not even inside of the fair value gap range, so we're not technically respecting it anyway. Let's see if we get a better close on that. Maybe I'll consider. Okay, so at that point we're already interacting with the higher time frame gap, like this 2-minute. Okay, what do we have? 5-minute, 4-minute. Yes, we have this 4-minute gap and this 3-minute. What the heck? Okay. I'm not even trying to reverse on that, but we're taking this 4-minute for sure. The 4-minute is so annoying because I can't move it on the 1-minute chart, but this definitely looks good. What do we have on the 1-minute? Yeah, so I'd really like to see that this 1-minute gap getting respected over this 4-minute, and then we just instantly inverse. Let's check what ES is doing. Okay. ES also hit this 30-minute bullish, also inversing whatever it had there, but it's kind of just chopping around. But NQ is definitely A+ here. We literally have a death candle on the 4-minute, and I'm probably gonna put my stop loss at the body because realistically, this high should be high resistance. This is also the high that traded into the 1-minute gap. So let's just see if we can get our 1-to-1. We have low resistance leading to this 4-hour internal low. Break even will be this low here. Okay, let's check if we get an SMT there. Not yet. SMT. Okay, so now we have an SMT at that low, which is the 4-hour internal low. So I will be going break even there because since NQ did trade into this 4-hour gap previously, we can still reverse. So looks like we just get a bunch of chop. Okay, well it did save us from a loss, so that's good. Still a pretty good trade. I rated it like an A. We just didn't really uh, get that entry to be on the leading pair because only ES delivered and NQ didn't. So, okay, next day, what do I see? We're in this huge imbalance here. We have this 4-hour ERL to get mitigated. Uh, really just kind of looking for a continuation short. We do inverse this little 30-minute. And we have this 15-minute here. I kind of just want to see what we get here, and we also have this hourly above. Let's just see what open does. Opens high into that hourly. 30-second. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what ES is doing. ES have any key level? Okay, we're in this 15-minute. I honestly just don't like these weird 30-second trades. The structure's not even that good either way. I'd rather just wait for this whole leg to be inverse or just like something different. Just chopping around. We make a new 15 or okay, so we hit this unsponsored 5-minute, which is currently getting respected over the hourly. But I'm still not really looking for any type of okay. We did just get this 1 minute, but we're already interacting with the 5. Kind of looks like we're just chopping around. This structure's low-key weird. Okay, what do we have below? We have this 15-minute opening right now. Yeah, this is just like something I'm not really trying to take. We don't really have much liquidity leading to the gap, and it's just we're just chopping around here with no trade manipulation. Okay, that does end up playing, but I'm not really too mad about it. I just didn't really feel convicted in anything like that. Right now, I could just see a cont short for sure. 5-minute. Okay, perfect. We hit this 5-minute. Instant 1 candle closure. Easy trade. And we're going to target this low right here. We have our stop button inside of the 5-minute. To the lower resistance liquidity below. And also as the 4-hour being our magnet, we have a super protected stop loss. It's traded into this 1 hour and then displaced away into this 5-minute con. So let's check ES if it has the same idea. Trade manipulation as well. Do we have 15-minute? Oh, yeah, we have this 15-minute, so that looks good. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go break even when ES hits that 15-minute, or when we just hit TP. Okay, easy trade. 1 candle delivery. Let's go straight to the next day. Okay, we're still trending bearish or bullish. I mean, we have this looks like almost equal lows here. This 4-hour, but we're kind of displacing away. And then we have this 30-minute opening. So this is gonna be my condition. Probably since this is data here, I feel like we're gonna inverse this, but we'll see. We have conflicting draws, so this data is technically protected because it did trade into this 4-hour, but I'm not sure if I'm convicted in any entry straight up. And we don't even have the best type of structure. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, now I mean we might as well just hit this. Like we kind of just came way too close out of this. Let's see. 3-minute. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, we don't even have a proper Yeah, okay, this structure is just horrible. We don't have any stop punts. We don't have any clear leg. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, so now we displaced away from this, so like 100%, I'm gonna be looking for a 5 minute. Look at this 30-second, but 10 a.m. is opening, and what could we manipulate into? Possibly this data wick, so I'm probably just gonna wait, see what 10 a.m. does. Oh wait, do we even have the 5 minute made? Oh no, we did, okay. Yeah, so this is the way better entry. We get that accumulation manipulation structure as well. And we're just gonna go straight for the, we're not gonna reverse off any of these lows. We're just gonna go straight here. This makes no sense to reverse off of because it's just protecting this. This makes no sense to reverse off of either. I want to say I'll go break even there, but just because it's a 15-minute internal low, but we've kind of just proved it weak by respecting this 5 minute. But we'll just see. And let's just double check. Yes, is looking the same. Contour. Okay, yeah, pretty much the same structure. Break even at this low. Easy delivery. Pretty clean trade. Definitely an A plus setup. Data lows with low resistance. AMD 10 a.m. PO3 super clean. Let's go to Friday, the last day. Pretty clean week. I think we got 3 trades, all W's and 1 break even, I think. But let's see what we're doing today. So high resistance here, swept out a low inside of a gap. More high resistance here. We have a higher time frame AMD here. So now I'm definitely just expecting these highs. And it looks like we have a 30-minute opening right here and a 15-minute, so either one of those to be hit or a short. It doesn't really look like we're going anywhere lower. Okay, we're just pumping. Do we make this 15-minute yet? Okay, 5 minutes. We're making this 15-minute stop hunt. Okay, yeah. If we were going to be bullish, I would have wanted this, but it looks like we want these lower gaps here. Okay, what are we doing? 5-minute cont. This low does look nice, but like the reasoning behind it is just like, if you look on the 30-minute, it just disappears. 15-minute also disappears, so it doesn't really look that good. Let's see if we even get this. What is this, a 3-minute? 3-minute, when does this close? And we get this rejection wick with no stop hunt. I'd rather just wait. Rather wait for the long out of this. If we get this, this will be cleanest. We inverse, okay, yeah. 3-minute, 2-minute, 1 minute. Okay, yeah, super clean 1-minute inverse. Put our stop right here. Why? Because we have this order block protecting our stop loss. Because we hit this 1 minute and then it sends price higher with this order block. So I really don't want to see us go lower than that. We don't have a 15-minute opening up yet, but soon. But right now we have this 5-minute internal high. And then I'm going to watch in 5 minutes because then we're going to have that 15-minute opened up if we don't go higher than this area. But really clean. We hit this 1 hour continuation here. CE as well, printing rejection wicks. And then a clean inverse targeting high time frame draws, low time frame draws, and a clean displacement as well ES as well has the same trade idea. Yeah, so we're just gonna take this and then break even. Did we hit? Okay, 10:30. Okay, now we're in this 15-minute. So for sure, gonna go break even and then just take my 1-to-1 here. Oh, we're so close. Okay, we better get this 1-to-1 because at this point, there's no reason to hold to a 5-minute if the 15-minute is in our way. Okay, bang. Wait, did we even get filled on that? Oh my god, no way, we just got break even by a tick, bro. Wait, how much is this? Like 2 ticks, bro. Okay, whatever, honestly. Now that was a good trade though. I can't even make my stop loss shorter here. Maybe here, but honestly, that's already like making it way too tight. But yeah, this is week 2 of January 24. Let's see the stats. Pretty good week though. I think we caught like 2 or 3 W's and a break even. Not sure, but I don't even know if that failed us there. But let's check. Oh, okay, yeah. So it did end up failing us. I don't know. That was kind of weird. I don't think we actually got that, so we'll just count it as a break even. But 100% win rate, 4 trades, 2 break evens, and let's check the weekly P&L. Really clean week, 4 trades, W week. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Make sure you guys like, sub,